Well, we will try take 3, my friends. I was having some connection issues. I took it off of Wi-Fi, and I'm hoping that that has seemed to have solved the issue. So we will try this again. As you are coming in, I hope you find the live. Say hello. I'm just going to give it just a second so a few people can find the live, and I see that I am on screen, so that is good to go. I'm going to kind of swing this around here. And welcome in yet again. Happy Tuesday, my friends. I know I have a little bit of a, looks like I'm A-okay. Okay, happy Tuesday, my friends, and welcome again for another episode of Teach Tuesday with Tammy and Jennie. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Tammy Savello, and I am with Cards by TLC, and normally I don't have this bad of a technical issue, but you gotta love the internet sometimes and connections and whatnot, so it looks like we are good to go. So today we are bringing you yet another fun color challenge. And let me tell you, when Jennie suggested these colors, I never would have thought of putting them together. They are bright, they are bold, they are fun summer colors. And I actually found it a little bit to be challenging, but I'm pairing it with the sketched butterflies, and I really thought that they would be really, really pretty. So the colors that we are using today are Daffodil Delight, Pool Party, Melon Mambo, and Lemon Lime Twist. Again, these are not colors that I typically use, but we are using them today. So let's go ahead and look at the project. Again, we are using the sketched butterflies. And I came up with this fun little card. I blended out the Melon Mambo and Daffodil Delight, and I stamped the sketch butterflies, and then I stamped our sentiment in the Melon Mambo, and then we used the Lemon Lime Twist for the panel piece right here, and Pool Party. So let's go ahead, and we are going to start off by blending out our background. Oh, let's go over the sizes and dimensions. There's not too many today. We have a top folding card base in thick basic white, and that's 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. We have the largest deckled rectangles, so we also used the deckled rectangles today, and we also used the Spotlight of Nature. And we use the largest circle for the Spotlight of Nature, but we use the largest deckled rectangle in Lemon Lime Twist. And then I cut down our Pool Party panel, and that is cut at 3 1/2 by 4 7/8. And then, of course, we have our panel for stamping. So let's just go ahead, and I think what I'm going to do is fold this over and put together the top panel card. And as you're coming in today, say hello. Again, I am so sorry for the technical difficulties, but I think we resolved the issue. So we are good to go. So I'm just going to add some Tombow glue and glue these panels together. Again, this is the Pool Party, and I'm gluing it to the Lemon Lime Twist. But these are fun, bright colors. Thank you, Jennie. My partner in crime is here. And these are bright and bold and cheery as we are coming towards the end of summer. It's hard for me to say that, but we are in August, my friends, beginning of August already. I'm glad you found the live again, Jennie. Sorry, I had the technical Wi-Fi issues we all love around here. But I turned the Wi-Fi off, and I hope we are good to go. And then I am just going to add that panel to the front, and that takes care of 2 of the 4 cards. Next, we are going to go ahead and blend out, because you know me, I love a good blending moment. We are going to blend with Daffodil Delight and Melon Mambo. that is okay. I'm glad you found us. Or me. So I'm going to pull up my Melon Mambo and my Daffodil Delight. I really need to get updated ink pads. I have that older version of Melon Mambo, and we're just going to do some real pretty background colors. And I'm going to kind of do like almost like a half and half. Maybe do some yellow down here. I'm not really doing anything specifically. I'm just kind of adding the color, and if it ends up splotchy or whatever, because this is what I'm going to be making and die cutting my butterflies out. So I'm just kind of doing the background color together. I just want to make it kind of fun and pretty, that we can get some good, fun, multicolor butterflies. Might come in with some more yellow. Make that bottom half more yellow. And maybe come in. If it ain't broke, you don't need to replace. Exactly. Okay, that's kind of a really pretty, marbly background, don't you think? That would make some really pretty butterflies. Maybe add a little bit more pink up here. It's all about just making it unique. Okay, I think we got some marbling done, some good background done. So now I'm going to come in with Memento Black ink and stamp our butterflies. Oh, you know what? While I have my Melon Mambo out, I'm going to go ahead and quickly bring in my circle and stamp my sentiments. And I am using Wishing You a Beautiful Birthday, because August around here are a lot of birthdays. I have so many friends and family members that have August birthdays, and I thought that that would be a nice pretty color to do some birthday cards. Now we're going to come in with the Memento Black ink and stamp our butterflies. And I used the small, or the medium and the small in the butterflies. Let me show you on the stamp sets which ones I used. I used our medium butterfly, our small butterfly, and our kind of like our half butterfly on that. And that way it gave us a variety of different butterflies. I'm excited to see how this one turns out. And I'm just going to kind of like just stamp them where I want that color. I'm going to have to redo that one. Darn it, that would have been a pretty one. Let's see. Maybe right here. There we go. That's a more solid image. And then maybe a small one here. That's a good one. And then our half butterfly, maybe here. Don't like the way that one turned out. So I think I'll have to do the half butterfly maybe here in the middle and hope. Okay, that's not turning out a very solid image. Okay. I think this one right here will be good enough, but let me try one more at the top. I know this looks like a hot mess right now, but there we go. I think I need to re-ink that Memento Black ink. I think I'm going to use this one. I think it'll be just fine. It's kind of faded, but I think it'll be a fun butterfly. Give me 1 second while I cut these butterflies out. Your birthday batch is in March and April. Mine are September or August and September around here. So I am going to pull out these butterflies and quickly run this through the die cutting machine. Talks amongst yourselves, and I will be with you momentarily. Normally I have the die cutting off camera already, but I wanted to show you the fun butterflies that we can kind of create our background. And I will be with you guys in just a minute. I am lining these bad boys up and getting ready to run them through the machine. And it's going through right now. Cut, cut, cut. And we have our pretty butterflies. Ooh, these ones are pretty. That's what I love about this. It could go super, super light like this, or kind of do a little bit of a darker color, like so. See how, I mean, each one will be different depending on your backgrounds. Really fun, right? Okay, put that off to the side. Each one is completely different. Hello, Shannon, welcome in. I just got through blending the background of the butterflies. This is, let me pull this out really quick. This is the background that it turned out to be. Just kind of blended Daffodil Delight and Melon Mambo. And that is what we did. And then, like I said, it comes out differently each time because we have our blended out butterflies. So now we can lay down our butterflies here on our circle. See how that, it's funny because see how it almost blending those two colors, the pink and the yellow together, gave us like that peachy color. It almost looks like a different color combo. But that's what we ended up with. So now we're just going to glue these butterflies down with some Tombow. Watching while the sound off and watch the replay. Thank you, Patty. I'm glad Shannon wrote and Jenny wrote hi, Patty, in there. I was like, there is that. And then we have our small butterfly. What I love about these challenges that Jenny and I come up with is we try to pick colors that we typically don't put together. And Jenny was so good about picking these colors this week. And it challenged me. I was like, I really don't know what to do with this. And based on the stamp sets that I had, and I thought the butterflies were perfect for it. And then now I'm going to come in with our foam adhesive sheets. Hashtag Team Foam Sheets. Thank you, Patty. Can someone write in the chat, thank you, Patty? It was from Pinterest. Okay. Well, I had fun with it being a challenge. And now I thought that these transparent adhesive back dots were perfect because they had the lemon lime twist in the color combo. And then I'm just going to use these smaller ones. There we go. And there we have it, my friends. There are completely two different versions of this, just based on that background coloring that we had. And that, what do you think? Do you like these color combos together? I really, really love that. Again, let's go ahead and bring in the color combos. We used Lemon Lime Twist, Pool Party, Daffodil Delight, and Melon Mambo. That is our fun, creative side of things today. That would be it for me today, my friends. Now be sure to join Jennie today on her Facebook page, Stampin' with Jen, with 2 N's in Stampin' and 2 N's with Jen, today at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you again for joining me today for another episode of Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jennie. And I hope to see you all here next week for another fun project. Or you can join me, you can join me live on my channel, my YouTube channel, on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Pretty sure I'm going to be diving into some Halloween fun. So I hope you can join me for that. In the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will see you next time for more creative fun. Bye, everyone.